Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my beauties. Today we are going to be talking about new at the drugstore. Well, actually, I found these products at Walmart, so you could say new at the drugstore, new at Walmart. And what am I talking about? I am talking about new products from Maybelline. I was so excited when I seen this in my local Walmart. We have an eyeshadow palette that is new by Maybelline, which is the Matte Bar eyeshadow palette. We have a new mascara, which is called Snapscara, which I thought was a real cute name. And we have these lipsticks right here. Now, they had a whole bunch of new ones, but these are the two colors that I did go with. And they are the Color Sensational lipsticks. And just look at the packaging here. I will be showing you swatches as well of the lipsticks on my lips and giving you all the information, but these here just spoke to me out of all the shades that they had there. So this eyeshadow palette is a rich saturated color, smooth matte finish, 10 pan matte eyeshadow palette. So this mascara is called Snapscara, easy on, easy off mascara in one snap. It's a smooth, clump-free volume mascara. And this is in the shade Pitch Black. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is the lightest shade from the palette. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to dust this all over my lid. And the next shade I'm going to go in with is like this kind of beautiful, almost beautiful kind of pinky taupey shade. And I'm using my Marc Jacobs The Crease brush, and I'm just going to pop that right into my crease. Burgundy shade, and I'm just going to tap that on the outer corner of my eye and just work a little tiny bit of it into my crease. Now with my clean MAC 224 brush, I'm just going to take that and just blend it all in. Now with my MAC 248 brush, I'm just going to go in with this very light taupey shade, neutral shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Go back in with that burgundy shade, and I'm just going to slightly work it into that taupey shade onto my lid. Now for my lower lash line, I am going to go in with this beautiful brown shade. It's almost like a chocolate brown, and I am using my Morphe M560 brush, and I'm just going to apply that right here underneath. Now with my Kevyn Aucoin small eyeshadow brush, I'm taking the almost like a kind of a banana kind of color shade, and I'm just going to pop that right here into the inner corner of my eye. And I'm also just going to pop it right here underneath my brow bone. So with this mascara, they do say that it's on in a snap, and it's easy on, easy off mascara, and it says that it's smooth, clump-free volume mascara. So there's a couple of coats of the mascara on right now, and there's none on this eye right here. It did glide on really nice and easy, and it's definitely like no clumps, and it definitely gives my lashes volume. So of course I'm going to talk about the eyeshadow palette first. So this has a total of 10 shades. It did retail for under $14 Canadian at my local Walmart, and I have to say that this palette is beautiful. You can tell by the swatches, you can tell how when I was applying them with my brushes. And just to let you know that I did prime my eyes first with my Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. I did forget to mention that I did prime my eyes with that, but that's what I use. That's what I always use to prime my eyes. But this palette is beautiful. I am so obsessed with matte eyeshadow palettes. I think these colors are just so stunning. They blended beautiful. They didn't become muddy, and I just love the eye look that I created with this palette. Now I wish that I had to use all the shadows in this palette, but the only shades that I didn't use was this shade right here and like the orange shade and this shade here, but then I used all the rest of them, so I used the majority of the palette. I have to say, for under $14 from the drugstore, it is amazing quality. Like, to me, this almost reminds me of the Kat Von D Lolita palette, which if you guys haven't seen my review on this palette, I will leave the link right here for you guys to check it out. And the shadows in this palette are beautiful, really, really gorgeous. But the quality of this palette definitely reminds me of this palette. So if you were looking for something on a budget, definitely pick this up. You're not going to be disappointed. I really truly love the eye look that I created with this palette. And also in this eyeshadow palette, you're getting a total of 9.7 grams of product, which is 0.34 ounces. So now for the Snapscara. I totally love that name. Love the packaging. It's just really beautiful. Really, really love the wand in this mascara. It does have like this little dip and it fits perfectly onto the lashes. When I was applying this mascara onto my lashes, and even now it feels like there's nothing on my lashes. This formula of the mascara is so super light. It's not heavy on the lashes. It definitely didn't clump. It glided on really nice and easy. It feels like I want to go in and apply more mascara because it feels like there's nothing there, but I know there is mascara there. I really, really like it. Love the formula, love the consistency of it. Definitely recommend this mascara too. Now for the two Color Sensational lipsticks. This one here is in Ruby for me, and this one's in Pink for me, which this is the lipstick that I choose to finish off this whole entire look. Really love the formula of these lipsticks. They glide on so nice. They are very, very creamy, very, very pigmented, really comfortable on the lips as well. Just love, love this color. And this red here, Ruby for me, has to be the most shiniest red lipstick I have ever seen. So beautiful. I can't wait to do a whole look and then use this red lipstick. They do have a bit of a fragrance to them. I really don't know what the smell is, but once you apply them to your lips, the smell just disappears. You really can't smell it anymore. Really super creamy, really comfortable, very pigmented, really beautiful quality lipsticks. So you guys, I definitely recommend all four products that I talked about today. I think these are great quality from the drugstore. So if you guys are on a budget and you want a great quality matte eyeshadow palette, definitely pick up the Matte Bar palette. Pick up the mascara. Go ahead and find out what lipstick colors you're really into and go ahead and pick up some lipsticks because they are amazing quality for a great, great price. So let me know in the comments down below if you have the eyeshadow palette or the mascara or the lipsticks. Also, let me know what is your favorite brand from the drugstore. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!